this video, I'm going to be showing you some free tools which you can use to help your page rank on Google even when you do not have money as a new entrepreneur. So the first tool available is seooptima. seooptima helps to give like a helpful audit data about your site. It helps to like check the health of your site using things like meta tag generator, using things like keyword explorer. Literally goes down to checking the like health of your site and helps you extract keyword ideas, etc. The second one is Google Trends. Google Trends is a very good site for keyword research. Now, why is this? It helps to analyze the keyword you're looking for. You search for the keyword you're looking for, and then you compare it, the history of it, and see if there's a chance of it blowing up so you can rank. With this, you are able to get things that are currently in trend, like currently trending, and then this increases the search volume, which literally trickles down to your site. That's the way it works. Number 3, SEO Book. SEO Book is one of my my favorite free tools to use for SEO, because apart from it being free, it has like numerous tools available for it. All you need to do is just to log in and voila, the magic begins. Number 4, we have small SEO tools. Small SEO tools is used, apart from it correcting plagiarism and all of that, is also used as a keyword research tool. It analyzes your business, it analyzes your backlinks, it analyzes those kind of things which literally might actually trickle down to your business. The fifth one is Uber Suggest. Uber Suggest was created by Neil Patel, which is like a famous entrepreneur and also YouTuber. Now, what he did is this site literally checks your domain score and compares it to the domain of other sites, and then tells you your ability to rank for that particular keyword and if it's actually worth targeting or not. Previously, this was a free site, but now it actually has a little bit of money, although you can still use it for free though. Like, that's what I still use. Google Search Console. Google Search Console like goes through your site, crawls through your site looking for errors, for errors, if there's security issues on your site and all of that. Because all of these things, if there are security issues on your site, Google tends to like rank your site below, which literally affects your ranking and all of that. So now the Google Search Console, you need to link your DNS to your site, like verify your DNS, verify your hosting and all of that, and then you're able to have access to your website. Finished. Answerthepublic.com. Answerthepublic.com is literally it's like a very, very good site to get keyword research, because it literally brings out some of the questions people ask. It sorts it out for you in a very, very arranged manner. It's like very, very beautiful, trust me. Now, before we continue, don't forget to click the like, comment and subscribe button, because in this channel we are going to be giving tips and tricks entrepreneurs can use to grow their business, like literally from a 0 to 100. Really, I still have fun because that's what I try to do. Next we have is Keyword Cheetah. Keyword Cheetah is, okay, if I say this is my favorite again, like I think I'm going to be kicked out, but it's my favorite. Keyword Cheetah literally helps you cheat this keyword. You put a certain keyword into the description box and literally provides you a way for it to bring a lot of, it crawls to the website, crawls to Google, Bing, whatever, and literally brings all the keywords you can think about, which are going to like help your business run, because you can actually use it. You have keyword, you have topic ideas. These are things you can actually use for it. Zadro Web, although it is very, very unheard of, it is actually a way for you to be able to check your site ranking. It literally talks about your page authority, your design authority, your load time, your Google page speed, and then this helps your video to your document or your blog or whatever to rank more, because it literally analyzes your website and helps you correct your mistakes. Now, remember I told you guys that we are going to be talking about a way you can use a paid platform for free without cracking it. Literally, you do not have to crack. You don't need to go the extra mile to be able to use it for free. No. So all you need to do before we continue, don't forget to click the like, comment and subscribe button. And at the end of it, you might actually know how to rank your video, but you don't even know the importance of creating content for your business. Just click on the info card at the right hand of the description box and then just watch a video right after this video. So now we have Word Tracker. This is not a site, but this is really what I usually use. It is not as good, or because it is paid, I prefer using Uber Suggest for it, because that's where the money comes from. Finally, we have Ahrefs. I promised I was going to show you a way you can use some of the tools in a paid platform. Now the platform is going to be Ahrefs. I'm going to show you a way you can use some of these tools without having to like crack or anything, which is kind of impossible because the security here is really tight. Now what you do is this. Ahrefs as a platform provides you some keywords, some free keyword tools. Now all you have to do is to access the ones that are left for free. Now what you do is you go here and you click on the free tools. Now what it does is it literally has a backlink checker, keyword generator, etc. You click on some of these tools and voila, these are free tools you can use. YouTube, Bing. Now the problem with this is that some of these keywords you need to actually like spend more time than just going directly, because some of the keywords it's not bring out all the results. But with this, you can at least you can go a step further until you're able to get the money. Go a step further to be able to promote your business and rank your site. So thank you guys so much for watching. You can don't forget to check out the other videos. Don't forget to click the like, comment, and subscribe button. Thank you guys. Love you. Bye.